At Thursday's police merit board hearing, simply put, former Detective Joshua Janes swears he did not lie on the search warrant that led to the raid on Breonna Taylor's home, and he wants to be reinstated with back pay. Meanwhile, lawyers for LMPD, along with the Taylors, say his miscalculation about her former boyfriend receiving packages at her home is what ultimately cost Taylor her life. In January, former LMPD interim chief Yvette Gentry fired former Detective Joshua Janes. The attorney for LMPD, Brendan Dougherty, says she was justified in her decision.
She will tell you that someone that has lied under oath on an affidavit for a search warrant has no place on the Louisville Metro Police Department. And she is right.
That Joshua Janes not only did not lie, he told the truth.
At the heart of this matter is Janes' statement on line number 9 of the search warrant, where he says that he verified through a U.S. postal inspector that Taylor's former boyfriend, Jamarcus Glover, was receiving packages at her home. But there's a catch that Janes admits.
Did you actually speak to the U.S. postal inspector?
I personally did not speak to the postal inspector.
Okay. Did you personally speak to anyone with the U.S. postal inspector's office?
No.
A report released weeks ago by LMPD's Professional Standards Unit revealed that Janes relied on information from Sergeant John Mattingly, who reached out to Shively Police to ask about checking with the postal inspector to verify if Glover was in fact receiving packages at Taylor's home. Lead investigator Sergeant Andrew Meyer says Janes had a piece of intelligence he was using to justify the warrant, but that turned out not to be what he thought.
So we have a piece of intelligence from the U.S. Postal Inspector, which from the closest source to the U.S. Postal Inspector was that there was no packages going to 3003 Springfield for Jamarcus Glover.
Sergeant Meyer went on to say that based on interviews, Janes went back to Mattingly and said he thought he said something about Amazon packages. But Mattingly said he didn't know about that and apologized for the confusion. But the sticking point for the department's attorney and Sergeant Meyer is that Janes misled the judge by withholding that he got his information through another officer while writing on the warrant as if he personally talked with the postal inspector.
Just to be clear, just the first part, I verified through Sergeant J. Mattingly of LMPD. If that's what's written on the affidavit, we're not discussing this as an untruthful allegation.
Stefan Dingle, WOKY.